And meet Dave, just your average guy who loves a good book, but oh, the small print, squinting like he's trying to unravel the mysteries of the universe.
What's this? A world of glasses at my fingertips? Zenni Optical, you say? Let's take a peek.
Dave's in a bit of a spectacle predicament. Outside, the sun's glare is no match for Dave's new photochromic allies. Watch as they transform with the kiss of sunlight, and back to clear as he steps into the shade. It's like having a superpower.
Oh, the tragedy. My trusted glasses, fallen victim to the classic chair encounter.
But fear not. With a twist here and a turn there, our hero Dave tackles the challenge. Behold the spectacle of spectacles coming back to life. And so, with a grin and glasses in perfect form, Dave's ready for whatever the pages of life throw at him next. All thanks to a little help from his Zenni friends. Join Dave and many others in the Zenni story, where every pair of glasses is a new adventure waiting to unfold.